Hey y'all, just another video on cybersecurity and updating. And a lot of times we'll get this update and it's like, I'll skip it for right now. Now, if you're one of our partners, it's already updated at night after hours and such like that, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you're not one of our partners, go ahead and do those updates. Either after, just tell them to do it later on in the day, but get those done. There's so many things that are so many ports that may be opened up on something, and allows a breach to occur. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Also, for our manufacturing friends, sometimes you're working on equipment that is software that is no longer supported or anything like that, and we understand why. We deal with this all the time. We have a few partners that have something on XP, and that's the only thing that the software runs on as well. So if you're a manufacturing group that needs some specialized support, feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to help you all out. You all have a good day.